Subscribe to AG Factory Flow. Now watch how potato chips are really made.
Batch 55 accepted. Minor defects noted. 1 rejection. Proceed to wash cycle.
Fresh potatoes arrive by truck at Golden Crunch Foods in Chicago. Each potato is washed, steam peeled, and sliced by precision blades into perfect 1.6 millimeter rounds. These slices enter 180 degrees sunflower oil. Watch them transform from white to golden brown in seconds. The bubbling oil removes water and creates that signature crispy crunch. Next is the seasoning tumbler. Cheddar cheese powder coats every chip, or bibic, or spicy. The chips tumble until every surface has perfect flavor coverage. High-speed cameras and lasers inspect every single chip. Compressed air jets shoot out any chip that's too dark, too light, or misshapen. Metal detectors and X-ray machines add extra safety. Now the packaging secret. Pure nitrogen gas flushes into every bag, pushing out all oxygen. This keeps chips fresh and crispy for months. The bag seals instantly. Each bag passes through a checkware. Too heavy or too light? Automatically rejected. Perfect bags go to case packing, where robots stack them into boxes. Finished pallets wrap in plastic and move to the warehouse. Trucks back into loading docks. Within hours, these chips are heading to stores across America. From potato to package. Subscribe to AG Factory Flow for more factory tours.
The purified water undergoes UV sterilization and chlorine dioxide dosing. Tests confirm the quality. The potato starch is recovered and sold as animal feed, while anaerobic digesters produce biogas used to heat the fryer, reducing natural gas consumption. This compressed air system powers critical food-grade pneumatics throughout the factory, running continuously at 100 psi.
Yield was 99.3%, oil content 2.1%. We are at 487 days without an incident.
Let's discuss the dip and plain salted crispiness scores.
Is the morning line already running?
Yeah, we just need to get changed and head in.
Okay, peel the first glove from the wrist, holding it in the gloved hand. Now use 2 fingers under the cuff of the second glove and peel it off cleanly.
Allergen check complete. Milk protein negative. Line clear for production.
Approach. We hit 87,500 bags at 99.1% yield. Downtime was only 15 minutes for the film change. Good.
And the oil quality?
Check the seasoning levels on the last batch.
Looks good, maintaining the flow rate. Keep an eye on the optical sorter.
Look here, please. Okay. Here is your badge. An escort must be with you in the production zones.
Gas readings are safe. Oxygen 20.9, LEL 0.
You are clear to proceed with entry.
and 2 and 3.
Great job using 3-point contact on that ladder and keeping your phone in your locker.
That's exactly right. Thank you for submitting the near-miss report. It made the difference. Yeah. I'm just glad we could fix it before anyone got hurt.
OSHA recordable injuries equals 0, near misses reported 12.
The packaging floor gets slippery from condensation when we switch to cold flavors. I'm worried someone will fall.
Let's practice the glove removal technique. Peel from the wrist first, then inside out.
Good.
Ensure you don't touch the exterior when removing the second one.
Every one of you made this possible. Safety is not luck. It's each of you choosing to work safely every single day. Thank you.
the line 3 cooker is acting up again.
All right, I'll check the calibration once I clock in. Don't forget your chips. Golden Crunch potato chips, made in Chicago, USA, with quality, safety, and pride.